What do you think, Otis? You think Mummy's talking to her phone, don't you? Mummy is talking to her phone. What's up? Oh, doing my best at looking like a published author. Meanwhile, my 10-month-old is sitting on the floor playing with toys, and let's hope he is okay to just chill while I sign copies of my book. Okay, darling. It's been a while since I've written this much with a pen. This one, just like watching what's happening in the Hardy Ground office. Seems pretty chill. I'm happy with that. Anyway, this is a very exciting day. It has been a long process to get this book together. It's a very funny thing to be working in online and then to go into print, and obviously the lead times are a lot longer than digital, but I'm very excited. It meant that there was a beautiful permanence to the work, and I was really proud of this collection of stories. I'm so excited to actually have it out there live and be able to share it with people. And to be honest, the thing that I just want to see and know is that my work and these homes are going to live in other beautiful homes, and people are going to experience them however they're going to experience them. You know, every home is so different, so I think different homes and different stories will resonate to different individuals, and that's what it's all about. But ultimately, I wanted them all to be inspiring. What do you think, Otis? You think Mummy's talking to her phone, don't you? Mummy is talking to her phone. Anyway. Yay. Yeah. Yay. Is that fun? Do we like it? Yeah. We're celebrating in the park because that's what we do these days. And in fact, I am in the city. I do really like coming back to the city every now and again because I do get to fill my cup. But instead of like going out to cool restaurants and bars, it's more like, there's a nice playground in Richmond, which this actually is a really nice playground. It's super cool. Life has changed. Life has changed a lot in a very good way. Life has changed in lots of ways. For one, I have had to be in Melbourne for quite a while because we are renovating, and renovating with a baby, not the best idea. Wouldn't recommend it, but here we are. We're nearly finished. And when I say we, Jonno, he has just done the biggest job of his life. He's doing a lot of it on his own. He's had a couple of mates help him on certain days, but he's chipping away because we need to make the house Otis proof.
I think it's going to look sick.
Basically. So soon, he's got a deadline actually. We've got people moving into our place in Melbourne. We do rent it out. I'm going to be homeless soon. So he's got to finish it. So that will be the next thing you see from us. We will be sharing our content of the renovation. A lot of you have been asking. Thank you for asking. You okay, buddy? You're just loving your avo tote. Yeah. We're going to be sharing the laundry and the kitchen. So as I speak now, neither of them have actually finished, but we're nearly there. We're nearly there, and we're going to be sharing the process along the way as we have done already, but we just had a bit of a delay, a bit of a stopgap. How do I put this? We had a big change and we hit lots of challenges. We needed to figure them out. So that's why we had to put a pause on the reno content. And obviously I wanted to share some house tours to promote the new book. So coming soon, guys, coming soon. You want some water? Babe, you got to put your hat on so people don't come for me in the comments. Okay? Oh no, put it on. Slip, slop, slap. Otis. One of us is sun smart. It's not a bad hat, mister. What's wrong with you? Why don't you want to wear your fancy hat? Why don't you want to wear your fancy hat? So it's been quite nice being back in the city, I will admit, but I am missing the coast a lot. I did write about that a lot in the book and how our life has changed since we moved down the coast. But we are incredibly lucky to still have a base in the city for when we need to come up, which is not that often, but to be honest, it's more for like, I don't know, health stuff. If you've got a doctor's appointment or you need to catch up with mate, typical life stuff that you just don't get down the coast. It's kind of funny being back in the house that we renovated back in 2020. It was like our first renovation that we did on YouTube. It was a lot of fun, and like, I loved it at the time, but oh my God, can I just say there are so many things that I would do differently now, especially because we have a little one. So many things. Where do I start? All right, there's an example.
This can't happen. Otis is like tearing everything down. So styling wise, we've got to like get rid of a lot of stuff. We removed that door. Oh my God, I can't even. The fact that we removed doors, like what were we thinking? Like at the time I was like, this is great, open plan, great. No, not great. Need to shut doors, need to keep Otis away. Excuse my laundry. Too loud. Our beautiful coffee tables had to go. Now it's just this children's wasteland. So we do have one of them there because Otis can't pull that one over. But the other side table we just had to move because Otis is now in the tear everything down phase. All my plants have to be up a level, not down. Otis is eating everything. Not a bad thing, but I've got a lot of indoor plants, so that's kind of annoying, especially for the low ones. So like I started to hide them all in here in the dining room. But now Otis can move and he's getting into the dining room. I'm like, my life has changed. And also we used to have doors on the dining room and we took them out too. Actually, to be fair, Airbnb guests broke the doors, so we had to take them down. Seriously regretting not re-stumping the floorboards.
Oh my God, after all the work we've done with the house and the cabin, this house is like, it's just so creaky. Now it's not gonna creak. Oh, here we go. Trust me, that's like everywhere. And when you've got a sleeping baby, not ideal. Also, you can notice I'm on a slight slant. I mean, the floorboards are dodgy. However, this is what I refer to as floorboard mountain. At the moment, Otis finds it very difficult to get up floorboard mountain, and that's why I love this. Not ideal aesthetically, from a functionality standpoint, while the little man is bum shuffling, this random design execution has made my life a lot easier, preventing him from going from here into here. So that's a random deviation I didn't know this video was going to take, but hey, there you go. Bathroom and bedroom, still good. Still big tick there. The walk-in robe was awesome. I'm not going to show you those because Lord knows you do not need to see the state I'm living in at the moment. It's just all nappy bags and washing. So I shall save you that and insert some pretty B-roll instead. So to give you a bit of a flashback. I actually went back and watched some of those old renovation videos that we did in this house, and it made me really excited again. We were so fresh-faced, we were so excitable. I think right now we're just really tired and jaded.
No way!
Yeah, why? So I really needed to see that to be inspired. So I can't wait to get back into renovating. I can't wait to get back down the coast, and I can't wait for you guys to see my book. If you have ordered it, please DM me, share photos, video. If you've got it in your home, I want to see it in your space. I'm really excited to get it out there in the world, or put it on your wish list for your birthday or for Christmas. Okay, yeah, rant over. That is it. I'll see you later. The next time you see us, we'll be renovating. Wish us luck.